Alright, got Jim here with his P-39 Era Cobra. This is flight number 2.
3.
Oh, this is your 3rd flight?
Yes.
Oh, you done snuck one in on me.
Yeah, snuck one in on me.
That's a 4S 2600?
It's bigger than that. 3,000?
Oh, 3000. Nice.
It might be a 33.
But it is 4S though, right?
Yes.
That thing just begs to get jumping up into the air.
Yeah, I know. It really does. Read online, they said the 3S does fine with it, just not as fast.
Yeah, right, yeah. I always look at it, if a plane will fly on 3 or 4, I'm always going to go with a 4 though.
That's probably about 60% throttle. See what I'm getting?
Yeah, you're right at half.
Oh, really? Okay. And that's it was on low rates. That's not bad. It's faster than what I'm used to, but hey, I didn't have any problems.
Right?
Remember? And the nose gear, I think it's the same one that CJ has.
Oh, really?
I'm going to have to look a little closer because I've been working on the gear on that plane, and I kind of glanced at this and thought that looks like the same one, but they all may look alike. You know what I'm saying?
Right, right. Did you see anything in your online reviews of this, of it being the FMS rebranded?
No, just a second. This thing gets away from you. I can tell you that now.
Oh yeah. Covers a lot of territory.
It's even online on the videos. Yeah.
Well, it slowed way down in the turn.
Yeah, I don't know what happened. Maybe the wind, might have been me. I did slow it way down, but I didn't. Yeah. Right there. Now I do have rudder and elevator on max. You follow me?
Right.
So the only thing you're going to have to brake on is on ailerons, and I hadn't switched over yet. Just, ooh, I saw those birds. You see them?
Yeah, yeah. They were trying to check you out.
Yeah. Sorry about over the pit area. I'm over.
Ain't nobody here but us. You can fly under the pits if you want to.
No, not with this one. Let me borrow one of your jets.
Yeah, go ahead.
Let's see. No throttle at all. Yeah, it flies fine. It's a little faster than that CJ, but it kind of reminds me of that CJ a little.
It looks like it would fly a lot like one of them, your little Zero that you have.
Yeah, I started to ring that today and I put it back.
Believe it or not, I was looking at one of those online for that sale.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
The small one or the big one? I got
No, the small. I think I like the smaller 1100.
Gears down. Move that. Not too high.
Well, you're going to end up down at the south end. That was perfect landing. Look at that.
That's why I want the CJ out here.
Let me wipe the butter off of those sticks. You're butter smooth on that.
It flies really nice.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Really.
You probably
Velcro. I was beginning to say I don't want to fly it.
You probably got all kinds of time left too, if that's a 3000.
Yeah. Well, under a minute I say just land it. I'm not.
Oh, okay, yeah.
51.
Looks good, Jim. Flight number 3 in the books.
Is that your view? No, that's the way it is.
Yeah.
I think.